What if I told you your next pair of glasses could capture every moment of your life without ever pulling out your phone, without missing a single second? Imagine walking through life with a camera built right into your eyewear. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's here, and it's changing everything. This is how I captured my morning coffee, my sunset walk, my daughter's first steps, all from my point of view. All hands-free, all effortless. Welcome to the future of wearable tech. These are the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, and they're about to blow your mind. When Meta joined forces with Ray-Ban, they didn't just make smart glasses, they created something nobody saw coming. Style meets intelligence. These aren't bulky tech gadgets, they're actual Ray-Bans with a brain. Built for creators who need to capture life as it happens, for professionals who live hands-free, for travelers who refuse to miss the moment, and for anyone tired of choosing between living and recording. This collaboration brings together 80 years of eyewear expertise with cutting-edge AI. The result? Glasses that look incredible and think even better. Let's talk design, because these look nothing like typical smart glasses. The Wayfarer frame, iconic, timeless, instantly recognizable. Available in multiple styles and lens options, prescription ready too. At just 50 grams, they're barely heavier than regular sunglasses. I've worn these for 8-hour days, no pressure points, no discomfort. The cameras are so discreet, people think they're just regular Ray-Bans. Build quality is premium, solid hinges, durable materials. This feels like luxury. Compare this to other smart glasses that scream, "I'm wearing tech." Meta and Ray-Ban nailed the balance. Fashion first, technology invisible. You'll actually want to wear these, even when you're not recording. Now, let's dive into what makes these smart, starting with the camera. 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Just tap the side of the frame, boom, photo captured. Hold for 3 seconds, video recording starts. That simple. The field of view matches what you're actually seeing, no weird angles. Voice commands change everything. Hey Meta, take a photo. Hey Meta, record a video. Completely hands-free operation. Built-in open-ear speakers deliver surprisingly clear audio. Music, podcasts, phone calls, all without earbuds. The sound is directional. You hear it clearly. Others around you barely notice. Touch controls on the right arm. Volume up, volume down, play, pause. Everything is intuitive. No learning curve, just natural interaction. 5 microphones capture your voice for calls with crystal clarity. Wind noise reduction actually works. I tested this on a motorcycle. Live streaming capability. Broadcast directly to Instagram or Facebook. Your followers see exactly what you see. True first-person content. The Meta View app syncs everything to your phone automatically. Edit, share, or save your footage. All seamless, all instant. Privacy LED lights up when recording. Everyone knows you're capturing. This isn't spy tech. It's transparent, ethical, and respectful. Here's where these glasses become essential. Real-world scenarios. Morning walk POV. The sunrise, the quiet streets, your perspective preserved. Traveling through a new city. Capture everything without the tourist camera look. Your hands are free for maps, coffee, or just experiencing the moment. Cooking tutorials from your exact point of view. Every ingredient, every step. Hiking trails, mountain views, adventure footage that feels authentic. No gimbal, no action camera mount, just you and the experience. Taking calls while working with your hands, mechanics, artists, builders. Conference calls during commutes, productivity without the phone juggle. Family moments, birthday parties, kids playing, life as it unfolds. You're not the person behind the camera anymore. You're in the moment. Concert footage from your perspective, not someone else's raised phone. Beach days, the waves, the sunset, your memory perfectly captured. Cycling routes, running trails, fitness content without chest straps. Pet moments, your dog's walk from your view, authentic and adorable. Shopping hauls, try-ons, fashion content that's genuinely first-person. Teaching, tutoring, demonstrations where your hands need to be free. Every use case shares one thing. You stay present while creating content. This is the future of memory. Not staged, just real. And it fits completely into your existing lifestyle. For content creators, these glasses are a game changer. POV content is exploding. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. This is the easiest way to create that authentic first-person perspective. Meta AI integration brings voice assistants directly to your glasses. Ask questions, get information, all while looking at the world, not a screen. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Instant object and landmark recognition. Hey Meta, translate this sign. Real-time language assistance. This AI doesn't interrupt your life, it enhances it. Content creators can brainstorm ideas hands-free while filming. The footage quality is social media ready, no extra editing needed. Vertical video mode for stories and reels, horizontal for traditional content. This is the creator tool you didn't know you needed until now. Battery life, the practical question everyone asks. 4 hours of moderate use. That's music, calls, and occasional recording. Heavy recording drains faster, about 40 to 50 minutes of continuous video. But here's the genius, the charging case. Compact, portable, holds 8 additional charges. Drop them in for 10 minutes, you get another hour of use. USB-C charging, fast, universal, no proprietary nonsense. For daily use, this battery setup works perfectly. Let's compare these versus your smartphone. Phone, you're holding it, missing the moment, obvious you're filming. Ray-Bans, hands-free, immersive, natural, you're living and capturing. Versus action cameras, GoPros need mounts, chest straps, headbands. These, you're just wearing glasses, no bulk, no setup. The POV is authentic, it's your actual perspective. For $300, you get Ray-Ban quality plus smart features. That's less than premium sunglasses plus a basic action camera. Let's be honest, nothing is perfect. Here are the strengths. Design is incredible. Comfort is unmatched. Features actually work. The hands-free experience changes how you create content. Now the limitations. Video quality is good, not amazing. Low light performance struggles. Don't expect miracles at night. Storage is limited, 32 gigabytes. You'll need to sync regularly. Who should buy these? Creators, travelers, active lifestyle people. Who shouldn't? Professional videographers needing cinema-quality footage. After 3 weeks of testing, here's my verdict. These glasses represent the future of content creation. They're not replacing professional cameras. They're not trying to. They're giving you permission to live your life while capturing it. That's powerful. That's revolutionary. That's worth $300. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews. Link to buy these is in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is AJM Gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.
Please wait and listen carefully. What if I told you your glasses could remember everything you see? No phone in your hand, no camera in your pocket, no moment slipping away. Imagine living your life while your glasses quietly capture it from your point of view. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is real, and it's already here. Welcome to the next evolution of wearable technology. These are the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. When Meta partnered with Ray-Ban, they didn't build another gadget. They built Ray-Bans that think. From the outside, they look iconic. Classic Wayfarer design, timeless, stylish. From the inside, they're packed with intelligence. And that balance, That's what makes these different. Let's talk design first, because this matters. These don't scream tech, they whisper luxury. Lightweight at just 50 grams, comfortable enough for all-day wear, and available with multiple lenses, including prescription. Solid hinges, premium materials. They feel exactly like high-end Ray-Bans, because they are. Most people won't even realize you're wearing smart glasses, and that's the point. Now let's talk about what they can do. Built right into the frame is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Tap once, photo. Hold, video. Or just say, "Hey Meta, record a video." Hands-free, instant, natural. What you capture is exactly what you see. True first-person perspective. No awkward angles, no mounts. Audio? Surprisingly good. Open-ear speakers let you listen to music, take calls, or hear directions while staying aware of your surroundings. 5 microphones ensure your voice stays clear, even in windy outdoor environments. And yes, you can live stream directly to Instagram or Facebook. Your audience sees the world through your eyes in real time. Everything syncs automatically through the Meta View app. Edit, share, store. It's seamless. Privacy is handled responsibly too. A visible LED lights up whenever you're recording. Transparent, ethical, respectful. Now here's where these glasses become truly powerful. Real life. Morning walks, traveling through new cities, cooking tutorials from your exact point of view, hiking trails, cycling routes, family moments you don't want to miss. You're no longer choosing between recording the moment and living it. You're doing both. For creators, this is a game changer. POV content dominates TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These glasses make that content effortless and authentic. Meta AI takes it further. Ask questions, translate signs, identify landmarks, all without looking down at a screen. Technology that enhances your awareness, not distracts from it. Battery life? Around 4 hours of mixed daily use. Heavy recording drains faster, but the smart charging case gives up to 8 additional charges with fast USB-C top-ups. Drop them in for a few minutes and you're ready to go again. So, who are these for? Creators, travelers, professionals who work hands-free, anyone who values presence over screens. Who aren't they for? People chasing cinematic, studio-level video. And that's okay, because that's not their purpose. These glasses don't replace professional cameras. They replace missed moments. They let you live your life and remember it exactly as it happened. That's not just smart tech. That's the future. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and check the link in the description. This is AJM Gadgets, where technology meets real life. I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.